Mirai Sentai Timeranger, traits. Theme: Time police from the future using advanced technology to maintain the timeline. Background: Operatives sent back to the year 2000 to apprehend escaped criminals. Powers: equipped with chrono suits enhancing strength, agility, and durability. Use of time manipulation gadgets like time freeze, time jump, and temporal scanners. Access to futuristic weapons like Chrono Blaster, Chrono Sword, and various energy attacks. Tactics: highly trained operatives with tactical precision. Use of future tech to gain battlefield advantages, e.g., time-slowing effects. Mecha: multiple mecha, including Time Robo and Time Shadow, with strong ranged and melee capabilities. Ability to combine and use time-based finishing moves. Strengths: superior technology and battlefield control. Versatility with time manipulation abilities. Tactical teamwork and experience hunting dangerous criminals. Weaknesses: some reliance on tech which can be countered or disrupted. Limited knowledge of mystical or supernatural techniques. Ninpu Sentai Hurricaneger, traits. Theme: modern ninja warriors combining ancient shinobi skills with elemental powers. Background: ninja warriors defending the present day from the evil Hurricaneger organization. Powers: skilled in ninjutsu, stealth, and hand-to-hand combat. Access to elemental powers associated with wind, fire, and thunder. Use of ninja tools enhanced by elemental energy. Tactics: stealth, surprise attacks, and agile combat. Combining traditional ninja techniques with modern fighting. Mecha: Hurricane Robo, Kabuto Robo, and combined forms like Senpujin. Mecha focus on speed and versatile attacks. Strengths: exceptional agility and close combat skills. Elemental powers that can disrupt enemy tech. Ability to blend stealth with powerful coordinated strikes. Weaknesses: less raw firepower compared to tech-heavy teams. Mecha less armored than some Sentai counterparts. Fight analysis. The battle begins with Timeranger using their technological edge to control the battlefield. Time Red opens with ranged blasts while Timeranger members use temporal scanners to predict Hurricaneger's moves. However, Hurricaneger's ninja stealth makes them elusive targets. They close in rapidly, using elemental enhanced strikes to disrupt Timeranger's tech defenses. Wind and thunder attacks interfere with Timeranger's sensors and communications. Timeranger responds by activating Time Shadow, launching a barrage of precision strikes. Hurricaneger use their agility and ninjutsu to evade and counterattack with a surprise combo, briefly knocking out Timeranger's energy shields. In mecha combat, Hurricane Robo and Kabuto Robo combine into Senpujin, emphasizing speed and elemental power, while Timeranger's Time Robo uses ranged attacks and time-based maneuvers to keep distance. Hurricaneger's elemental attacks manage to land on Time Robo's joints, slowing its movement. But Timeranger counters with a temporal freeze that halts Senpujin momentarily, giving them an opening for a heavy finishing strike. The fight's momentum shifts back and forth, with Timeranger's precise tactics matching Hurricaneger's raw ninja agility and elemental ferocity. Both teams push their mecha and individual skills to the limit. Chance of winning. Mirai Sentai Timeranger, 55%. Their advanced technology, time manipulation, and tactical approach provide a slight advantage in controlling the flow of battle. Ninpu Sentai Hurricaneger, 45%. Their stealth, elemental powers, and close combat expertise make them dangerous, but they struggle against Timeranger's time-based control and superior firepower.